Good morning, fourth graders. Today, your job is to learn all about Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean. You will use resources to locate these places and physical features on your map. You'll use colored pencils to shade each country or body of water the specific color according to your directions. You'll include features like a title and a compass rose, and you'll write and color in neat fourth grade quality. So make sure you have all of the materials you need. You should have gotten these two papers yesterday. You are supposed to use colored pencils today. If you use markers, then it becomes really hard for you to see what you've labeled. And then in your directions, it's also outlined that you'll go over the labels with blue or a black ink pen. If you don't have that, that's okay, as long as you make sure you color really lightly so that we can still read those labels that you're putting in there. Now take a quick second and take a look over all of the names of these countries and oceans, and you should notice that each first letter is capitalized because it's a proper noun, a specific place. And so I'm looking for just that. When you label the United States, you don't need to label it in gray. You just need to shade the United States gray and make sure that you've labeled United States. Okay, so I hope that answers some questions for you. There's this fun little introductory video that I think you might like. It's a really catchy song, just to introduce to you these different countries and physical features like oceans and such. So your job is to make sure you get through this whole checklist, color neatly. You can use the map resources document. It looks like this. That could be helpful to you. And if there's anything that you can't find, or if you prefer to look at Google Earth, you can always type in the search bar each country. As you can see, I typed in Mexico. And now I can see this country of Mexico is outlined. I can also see the Chihuahua Desert, so that's pretty cool. And the Gulf of Mexico. And you can kind of move around too. You can see that bottom part of the United States and the Bahamas. So this might be kind of a fun way to go through and label those countries as well. All right, I can't wait to see all of your great work labeling Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean. Have a great day.